Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. When you wake up late and rush, stress follows you everywhere. But start your morning with intention and you create momentum. A good morning routine isn't just about waking up. It's about unlocking your potential. Think of it as your daily compass, pointing you toward your goals before distractions hit. This is your time to invest in yourself, to prioritize your growth. Imagine starting each day energized, focused, and inspired. It's not a dream, it's a choice. Win the morning, and you set yourself up to win the day. The quality of your life often comes down to the quality of your mornings. So don't just survive the morning, use it to thrive. Take control, build your foundation for success, and unlock the amazing day ahead. This is your first step toward a better life. The biggest mistake? Grabbing your phone as soon as you wake up. You flood your mind with distractions and negativity before you even get out of bed. Hitting snooze is another trap. It starts your day with procrastination and low energy. Rushing out the door creates chaos and stress that lingers all day. And starting with negative thoughts sets a gloomy tone for everything that follows. These habits seem small, but together they rob you of focus, peace, and potential. Your morning should be a launch pad, not a minefield. Break these patterns and you'll reclaim your power. Start fresh. Your day deserves it. After waking, hydrate. Your body craves water after hours of sleep. A big glass of water wakes up your system and boosts your energy. Next, move your body. Just a few minutes of stretching or light exercise gets your blood flowing. Movement creates energy and releases endorphins, lifting your mood. Then, take a few minutes for mindfulness or meditation. Sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let your mind settle. This calms your nerves and brings clarity before the day begins. Hydrate, move, and be still. These simple steps lay a foundation for health and focus. They take just minutes, but the impact lasts all day. Start your morning by caring for your body and mind. That's how you create your best self. Now, set your direction. Choose your top 3 priorities for the day. Writing them down gives you clarity and focus. Next, fuel your body with a healthy breakfast. Think protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This keeps your energy steady and your mind sharp. While you eat, feed your mind with something positive. A book, a podcast, or an inspiring quote. This positivity sets the tone for your thoughts and actions. Planning, eating well, and positive input complete your morning routine. In just 30 minutes, you build a shield against stress and a launchpad for productivity. You're not just ready for the day, you're excited to conquer it. That's how you win the morning. You now have a simple formula to transform your mornings and your life. The magic happens when you take action, even if you start small. Try just 1 or 2 steps for a week and notice the difference. Consistency is key. Your energy, mood, and productivity will improve. Remember, you control your mornings, no one else. This is your chance to rise above the ordinary and create an extraordinary life. Don't let your days happen to you. Make them happen for you. Tomorrow, choose purpose over autopilot. Take that first step. Your future self will thank you. Your best life starts with a miracle morning.